Hi everyone, I am Geetha, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Engineering. In this session, we are going to discuss about applications of calculus. This calculus is the study of rate of change. Calculus as we know it today, it was developed in the latter half of the 17th century by two mathematicians, Leibniz and Isaac Newton. We have two types of calculus. One is differential calculus and another one is integral calculus. Differential calculus determine the rate of change of a quantity. Integral calculus find the quantity where the rate of change is known. Differential calculus determine the rate of change of a quantity. It's like cutting something into small pieces to find how it changes. Integral calculus find the quantity where the rate of change is known. It's joining small pieces together to find how much there is. Differential calculus used in Newton's law of cooling. Newton's observation here, he observed that the temperature of the body is proportional to the difference between its own temperature and the temperature of the objects in the contact with it. Formulating this, he is using first order separable differential equation, applying the calculus concept dt by dt is equal to k into t naught minus dE, where k is the positive proportionally constant. Now we are going to see some applications of calculus. Finding the average rate of a function can represent many things. One example is the path of an aeroplane. Using calculus, we can calculate its average cruising altitude, velocity and acceleration. Sum goes for a car, bus or anything else that moves along a path. Now, the uses of calculus in astronomy. Calculus has been used in the astronomy since the 17th century to calculate the orbits of the planet around star. Calculus is also necessary to accurately calculate the variable speed of moving object in space, including asteroids, comets and other celestial bodies. Use of calculus in architect. An architect will use integration to determine the amount of material necessary to construct a curved dome over a new sports arena, as well as calculation the weight of the dome and determine the type of support structure required. Uses of calculus in graphics. A graphics artist uses calculus to determine how different three-dimensional models will behave when subjected to rapidly changing conditions. This can create a realistic environment for movies or video game. Now the uses of calculus in other field. Engineers uses calculus for building skyscrapers, bridges. In robotics, calculus is used how robotic parts will work on given command. Engineers use calculus for system design. Calculus is used to improve safety of vehicles. With the calculus, we have the ability to find the effects of changing conditions on a system. By studying these, we can learn how to control a system to make it do what we want it to do. Because of the ability to model and control system, calculus gives us extraordinary power over the material world. Thank you.